Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your fists over your head. Step one foot back lightly while pulling both fists down toward your hips. Return to center with your fists back up. Switch sides and repeat. Stand tall with both arms stretched up overhead. Lift one knee up while the toes of that foot stay touching the floor. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, keeping your body straight and your core tight. Lower the leg and switch sides. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms raised and open to the sides. Twist your upper body to one side, reaching one arm up and the other out. Return to center, then twist to the other side. Keep your core tight and move smoothly. Stand with your feet apart, one arm raised overhead and the other down by your side. Twist your hips to one side while swinging your arms in opposite directions. Return to center, then switch sides. Keep your core tight and move smoothly. Stand tall with your feet together, elbows bent and hands near your shoulders. Lift one knee up while the toes of that foot stay touching the floor. Step back to center and bring your arms back in. Repeat on the other side, moving smoothly.
Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Step one leg out to the side while keeping your arms extended. Return your leg and arms to the center. Repeat the movement by stepping the other leg out to the side and extending your arms again. Step one leg out to the side while making fists with your hands, opening your bent elbows to the sides. Return to the center, then repeat the movement with the other leg, stepping it out to the side while opening your hands again. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and one arm raised overhead and other at the back. Bend your knees slightly as you reach the raised arm up, stretching your side body. Return to standing and switch arms, lifting the other arm overhead. Continue alternating sides, moving smoothly while keeping your chest lifted and core engaged. Stand with feet hip-width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Lift one shoulder up toward your ear while slightly bending your elbow. Roll the shoulder back and down in a smooth circular motion. Lower it and repeat on the other side, alternating left and right. Stand in a wide stance with one foot stepped forward and arms extended out to the sides at shoulder height. Sweep both arms in a big circle forward and upward as you shift your weight into the front leg. Let your torso rotate naturally as your arms pass overhead and open wide. Repeat the movement while keeping your posture strong. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart and palms joins in front of your chest. Hinge forward slightly at the hips, keeping your back flat, as you sweep both arms back behind you and place one leg forward, toes pointing up. Gently lift your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades together while your arms reach back, palms pointing up. Return to standing and repeat the movement with another leg, keeping your neck long and core engaged.